How do I get my car fixed? I need it to go to work. What am I going to do? The best thing to do, in my opinion, is to go through your own insurance company. Now, I know you can go through the other people's insurance company, but keep in mind that it's going to take time. It's going to take more time. They're going to investigate who's at fault. They're going to find out more information about the wreck. They're going to talk to their client. They're going to want to talk to you, which again, I say don't do a recorded statement. Go through your own insurance because you don't have that hassle and you're going to get it done a lot quicker and you're probably going to get better care and better service. So go through your own insurance company. Yes, you do have to pay your deductible, but you should get 100% of that back as long as you are at 0% fault for the wreck. So go through your own insurance company. It's going to save you time. It's going to save you money. Insurance companies, don't forget, they like to play games. Know the rules so you don't get stuck with the bill.